Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn about Docker Compose file that comes pre-installed with the Laravel installation. So let's get started. So this is the file docker compose.yml and this is the default structure of the file. Okay, so it is using currently the version 3 and it has some images. Okay, so it is basically a configuration file wherein we can tell Laravel which all images to load and how should they be configured so that we can use it in our project. So let's understand one by one. Okay, so let me just minimize everything. As you can see, the default Laravel comes with these configurations. So we have a laravel.test, then one MySQL configuration, Redis, Search, Mailhog and Selenium. Some of the images we may not use in our project, so we can remove that. Okay, so we'll remove few of them. But first let's understand what's the configuration file. First is the build. Okay, in the build we are defining the runtime cell for our Laravel application. Okay, so this comes from the vendor directory. So it is pre-configured. You just visit this, you can locate. So here it is cell, then goes to runtime. Then we have these many runtimes available. So currently we are using 8.1. Okay, so this is for PHP 8.1 and this is the default configuration it provides. This is the actual Docker configuration. So these are some pre-configured stuff comes with default Laravel compose file, so we may not need to worry about that. So let's come here. So let's try to run our application and we'll see whether all are available or not. So all you have to do is cell up minus t. Cell is the alias I have created. You can check our previous videos for how to create these aliases. Now as you can see, it has created some containers. Okay. So first is the laravel.test. So here it is. Then we have MySQL. So this one. Then Redis. This one. Similarly the other ones. Okay. So what we'll do? We'll do a sail down first. So it will stop all the containers. And we'll remove Selenium, Mailhog and this Redis and Search. Maybe we can keep Mailhog to test our email functionality later. So we'll only remove the other three. So it's very simple. All you have to do is just delete it, but make sure to follow the intent properly. Then Search also we do not require that. Even Redis. That's it. Now, since we have removed these three images, we can also remove their volumes. So we do not need these two volumes and we can save that. Now if we rerun our server, you can see it is saying laravel.test depends on Selenium. So that means you have to come here and you need to remove the dependency. As you can see, this is dependent on this many. So we have removed Selenium, Search and Redis. So now if we try to run, it should work. As you can see, it is running very well. Now we can access these on different ports. So that also configured. As you can see, our default Laravel application is running on port 80. That means we may or may not need to explicitly provide the port number. So let's test that. Just open your browser and just say localhost. If you just say press 180, press enter. So this is our default Laravel application running on port 80. Next we have MySQL, but MySQL we cannot directly access from the browser, so we need some kind of a DB browser, maybe PHP MyAdmin or Table Plus. So that will configure in the next video, like how we can add a DB browser in the Docker Compose file so that it will be accessible. So let's minimize that. But this is available. Mailhawk, it is on 1025 and the dashboard port is 8025. So we may access on this port. Let me just copy that. Control L colon 8025 enter. As you can see, we are able to access that. Let's allow them, and once we start testing our emails, we'll receive our emails, debugging emails here. Suppose we have placed a successful order as a customer, so that customer should get a mail and admin should get a mail. So this kind of functionality we can test here without sending actual email. So for that we are keeping this one. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. We'll see how to configure phpMyAdmin in this file in the next video. So thank you guys for watching. Do like, share and comment, and yeah, see you guys in the next video.